Now that we're addressed, let's add a load to each dimmer. Always be sure to remove power while making connections. Don't forget that wireless devices can be high current. You'll connect the common positive wire to the positive terminal. You'll connect the negative wire to the negative terminal. When connecting an RGB LED system, you would do the following. The common positive wire will connect to the positive of dimmer A. The red LED will connect to the negative of dimmer A. The green LED will connect to the negative of dimmer B, and the blue LED will connect to the negative of dimmer C. Let's take a moment to check to make sure that we wired things correctly. We will be testing a warm white and an RGB LED strip. We are going to first connect the RGB LED strip to dimmers A, B, C, and now we're going to connect the warm white LED strip to dimmer D. Now that we've connected our light sources, let's reconnect the power. We'll give the dimmer a moment here to establish a connection with the DMX-IO transceiver. So let's turn off the studio lights now so we can see what we're doing. We have our first address, which brings up the red, our second address, which will bring up our green, our next address, which brings up our blue, and finally, our next address will bring up our warm white LED tape. In another tutorial, we will look at the RC4 Commander software, available for Mac and Windows, which provides a user interface for configuration and working with advanced settings on the multiple RC4 devices remotely. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.